I'll be there.
We'll be there.
I'll be there.
We'll see you there.
I'll be there.
We'll 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 see you there.
We'll be there.
See you in San Diego.
CHA can't wait to see you at our 2018 assembly.
Will we be there?
We'll be there.
This way, just a couple. Nope, too much.
See you in San Diego.
We're like over enthusiastic.
We'll be there. Oh, am I supposed to look at you?
I don't know.
Oh.
Who are we supposed to look at?
Well, now, all right.
Do
So
it again. Do it again.
All right. We'll be there. You didn't look at me this time. I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
We'll be there.
What? You were supposed to look first.
This is called being a fool for Christ.
Perfect. We'll see you in a couple of minutes.
Is that good? Woo!